When you reach for that bottle of cough syrup, you're likely seeking quick relief from that nagging cough. But have you ever wondered what happens inside your body once you take that spoonful? Let's uncover the mystery of how cough syrup works. Cough syrup often contains a combination of ingredients aimed at tackling the underlying causes of your cough. The main types include expectorants, antitussives, and antihistamines. Each plays a unique role. Expectorants like guaifenesin help thin and loosen mucus, making it easier to cough up. This is particularly helpful if your cough is productive or wet. On the other hand, antitussives, such as dextromethorphan, work by suppressing the cough reflex. They act on the brain, preventing the signal that prompts you to cough. This is ideal when you're dealing with a dry, irritating cough. Some syrups also contain antihistamines like diphenhydramine, which help reduce allergic responses and soothe irritated airways. Once ingested, these active compounds travel into the bloodstream and start targeting the areas needed. Expectorants work on the mucus, breaking it down so your body can expel it more easily. Meanwhile, antitussives act on the central nervous system, specifically the medulla, which contains the coughing center. This helps minimize the urge to cough. Most cough syrups also contain additional ingredients like sweeteners, flavorings, and sometimes alcohol, which aid in preserving the mixture and delivering a palatable taste. These help ensure that taking the medicine isn't a bitter experience. It's important to note that while cough syrup can alleviate symptoms, it doesn't cure the underlying cause of the cough. It provides temporary relief, making it easier for you to rest and recover. Always use them as directed, and only for short-term management, unless advised by a healthcare professional. Now that you know what happens inside your body when you take cough syrup, you can make more informed choices about how to manage your cough. Remember, if symptoms persist, consult with a healthcare provider to tackle the root cause of your ailment.